Setting New Year goals is a tradition for many people, and it can really be overwhelming at the beginning and can be stressful. While many of them might get anxious while setting New Year goals, but today I'm going to tell you all a step by step easy process where we can set our New Year goals and follow it in a simple way. It's okay to feel anxious, feel stressed at the beginning when we are setting goal, where the questions might come in our mind. What if I don't achieve this goal? What if this goal is a realistic goal? But the main key point is that how should we reframe the goal? Suppose मुझे मेडिटेशन की आदत नहीं है या फिर मेडिटेशन की ये हैबिट मुझे इनकलकेट करनी है इस ईयर में. Okay, so many clients come to me and ask me like, how can I really start this? Okay, so start by taking small steps. You have to take small actionable steps जो आप achieve कर सकते हैं. So start small. Start by doing 2 minutes or 5 minutes meditation. When you start doing this and when you are in that comfort zone कि आप easily ये 2 मिनट या 5 मिनट का meditation कर पा रहे हैं in a span of 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, you can slowly increase the time where you can start doing meditation for 10-15 minutes, and like that you will be in a position by the end of the year where you can sit in one place for half an hour and do meditation. Okay, so start small. That is very important to understand. और एक एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ देना चाहती हूँ. अगर आपको आपका कोर्स बिल्ड करना है, आप रोज एटलीस्ट 1 आवर उस चीज़ के लिए देने वाले हैं, तब जाके आपका कोर्स 1 महीने में या 15 डेज में कंप्लीट होगा. वैसे ही जैसे हम लोग बचपन में होमवर्क करते थे या एग्जाम होती थी तो कुछ बच्चे एग्जाम के पहले पढ़ाई करते थे, लाइक जस्ट अ डे बिफोर, एंड वेयर इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल टू गिव दोस गुड मार्क्स इन द एग्जाम. जहाँ पे कुछ बच्चे पहले ही दिन से, जैसे टीचर ने सिखाया है, टुडे टीचर हैज टॉट देम, एंड आज ही वो होमवर्क कर देते थे प्लस खुद का जो सेल्फ लर्निंग है वो करते थे. एट द एंड का जॉब इजी था, वेयर फ्यू मिनट्स टू रिवाइज और उनका जॉब कंप्लीट होता था. वेयर इन जो बच्चे के पहले एक दिन पढ़ाई करते थे उनका जॉब काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट था. उनको ये देखना था कि क्या करना है, पे फोकस लाना है, किस पे फोकस नहीं लाना है, कुछ चीज़ लर्न करनी है, कुछ स्किप करना है. ओके, सो ये प्रोसेस बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाती है जब आप एक साथ कुछ भी चीज़ करते हैं. तो स्टार्ट स्मॉल वेर इन यू विल रियली गेट दैट क्लैरिटी एंड ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेट योर स्मॉल विन्स. Start small and start by setting realistic goals. Like if you want to really be fit this year, you say that I want to be fit or I want to be successful. Can be a bit intimidating, okay? But you can really start by taking small actions each day and every day. For example, if you want to get fit but आप exercise करने से बोर हो जाते हैं, so you can set such a goal that I'll start exercising initially at least 20 minutes 3 times a week, or else 30 minutes 3 times a week. And when you really get into the habit of exercising 3 times a week for 30 minutes, slowly you can increase the time, and you can also celebrate your small wins because this goal is a realistic goal. ये goal आप easily achieve कर सकते हो. So always set a goal which you can achieve and not something that is really over your capacity or over the top, which whenever you see your goal you feel that अरे ये नहीं अचीव कर सकते हैं. ऐसा गोल आपको नहीं सेट करना है. आपको इजी गोल जो इजीली अचीव कर पाए ऐसे गोल्स आपको सेट करने हैं. ये रियलिस्टिक सेट गोल्स विच आर रियलिस्टिक and that really align with your current life circumstances is very important, where you are really handling your family commitments as well as you are handling your work commitments as well as you are trying to fulfill your goals. Okay, so you are doing many things at a time, so it is really very important to understand that you cannot put energy everywhere. Okay, somewhere you have to really cut short those goals and somewhere you have to really take those small actions. Suppose if you want to read 15 books a year, now this is not a realistic goal, wherein if I say that if I am in a position to really read 20 minutes every day, so this is a realistic goal where I am going to allocate some time for reading. So that is very important to understand कि आपको realistic goals set करना है. Before setting your new goals, it is very important to understand what we did last year. Okay, so reflect on the things which you did in the last year, where you will really understand दैट आप किस पोजीशन में थे टू अचीव गोल, कहाँ पे मिस्टेक हुई है, कहाँ पे आपको फिर से रीप्लान या रीस्केड्यूल करना. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वेयर यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ वॉज योर लास्ट ईयर, वॉट वॉज योर पैटर्न. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड while reframing this year's goal. Okay, so this is an important point while setting your goal. But the main viewpoint is how do we really approach the goal setting. Take out some time for your self-care, for your hobby, which is going to give you joy and is going to increase your energy and which is going to be helpful for your goal as well. So take out some time in your week for your self-care routine, for your hobbies, and schedule your daily task in such a way that at least on some time in the weekend you get your time for your loved ones, where you get some time for your mental health, for your self-care, and that is really going to help you to really boost in that energy to achieve your goals. Okay, so that is very important. जहाँ पे आपने अगर टाइम नहीं निकाला है for self-care, for your health, for your meditation, for that small minutes of walking. It might be even after having food or before having food, or in the morning, just some kind of grounding techniques which really help you, or some kind of meditation and mindfulness exercises which really help you to stay calm and peaceful and grounded from within, is really going to boost in that energy. और ये एनर्जी आपको आपके गोल्स में अचीव करने के लिए ज़रूर हेल्प करेगी, और आप इससे हमेशा एक एनर्जेटिक और जॉयफुल रहने वाले हैं, हैप्पी रहने वाले हैं. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये चीज़ें आप आपके न्यू ईयर गोल रेजोल्यूशन लिस्ट में लिखें, इसके लिए टाइम बनाएं. जहाँ पे might be last year you did not have that time or you did not have that clarity, लेकिन इस साल आपको वो क्लैरिटी आ गई है कि पिछले साल शायद से मैं ये अचीव नहीं कर पाई, इस साल मैं खुद को प्रायोरिटाइज करूँगी, मैं रिलेशनशिप्स को प्रायोरिटाइज करूँगी, मैं फैमिली को टाइम दूँगी. So it is really going to make your life beautiful. Take out some time for gratitude is very important, and I have said this in many of my videos, wherein at least you appreciate one best thing that happened to you on that particular day, that can really cheer you up and that can bring in that good vibe in your life, wherein you at least appreciate that one small moment and also count your blessings which you have, and that is going to bring in lot of abundance and lot of good vibes and energies which are going to help you to fulfill your goals. And always remember that celebrate your wins. Even if you have achieved such a small thing, it is very important to celebrate your wins, which is going to boost you. जहाँ पे our elders used to push us when we were small, but as we have grown up, there is no one to push us, and that small push our side for ourselves is really going to help to bring in that power, and is going to help us to give that kick or that push to our goal. And जो टाइम लग रहा है for that process, वो टाइम कम होने वाला है, जहाँ पे small achievements will help us to really go a long way. Okay? गोल्स के क्राइटेरिया बना सकते हैं जैसे इस जर्नल में बनाए हैं. पर्सनल गोल, वर्क एंड फाइनेंसेस गोल, रिलेशनशिप गोल, एंड मेंटल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ गोल्स, वेयर यू कैन रियली राइट डाउन द गोल, steps to achieve that goal, and due date of that goal. You can make such kind of 3 columns and write them so that you really get clarity कि मैं ये गोल कैसे अचीव करने वाली हूँ. Be kind on yourself. Don't be harsh or don't be rigid on yourself. देखिए, परफेक्शन इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, लेकिन प्रोसेस इम्पॉर्टेंट है कोई भी गोल अचीव करने के लिए. इट इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव दैट मेंटल क्लैरिटी एंड पीस. और इसके लिए आप रिकनेक्ट कर सकते हैं नेचर से, जहाँ पे रियली फाइंड आउट दैट टाइम for your grounding, for your stability, where you can really reconnect with nature, where you can walk barefoot on any lawn, और यहाँ पे अगर possible है wherein you really have park or clubhouse nearby where you can go and walk, and that fresh air will really help you to have that mental clarity and peace you need to achieve your goals. If it is not possible to walk, you can even soak in some sunlight in the morning, early morning, where you can in your balcony and your terrace and watch the sunrise and soak in that sunlight, where it will really help you to give you that energy and that freshness which is going to help you to achieve your goal. Personal learning is very important while you are achieving your goals. It might be some time to read books, or sometimes you can even hear any podcast or see any video which is going to be helpful for you to achieve your goal. Okay, so taking out that small slot of time for your learning, at least in the morning, or if possible in the night, mostly in the morning, because that time our mind is fresh, is very important. अगर आप फिट होना चाहते हैं इस साल में, not finding that time, at least start small, 20 minutes a day or 20 minutes thrice a week, जहाँ पे movement of your body is important, where it is very important for you to feel fresh and energetic from inside and not punishing your body. Okay, so this is very important to understand कि कोई भी movement, it might be stretching, it might be any form of workout wherein you enjoy that process, आपके body को अंदर से और बाहर से अच्छा लगे, ऐसा कोई भी movement, any form of workout you can do which help to kickstart your day to achieve your goals. Vision board, I will give the link below this video of vision board, where I have detailed description of how to make vision board. But vision board ये एक ऐसी step है in goal setting that is really going to remind you every day कि आपको क्या करना है, आपको वो actions कैसे लेना है आपका goal achieve करने के लिए. So try to make a simple and clean vision board which gives you that exact clarity कि आप क्या achieve करना चाहते हो आपके life में. Just don't clutter it with n number of images, where when you see that collage of vision board you might get confused, okay, and not get that clarity and not get that message which you really want to send to your subconscious mind. So that is very important to understand, जहाँ पे आप एक simple clean decent vision board बनाएं और आपके माइंड को वो मैसेज मिले, वो क्लैरिटी मिले कि आप कौन सी चीज़ आपके लाइफ में अचीव करना चाहते हैं. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. Visualizing after seeing that vision board is also very important, wherein you take out 5 minutes time or 10 minutes time where you really visualize and feel that vibe of your vision board, and which is going to give you that energy to achieve your goals. So this is very important, where आप रोज़ visualize करें, एक तो सुबह उठने के बाद या रात को सोने से पहले, wherein that message really goes in your subconscious mind and you really feel great about it. यहाँ पे आप gratitude भी लिखते हैं, that I am really grateful for this coffee. It is very important that why that coffee is meaningful for you, why things in your life are meaningful for you, what is that process giving you, or else if you are reading a book and you are really grateful for that book, so why you are grateful for that book, what teachings or what knowledge are you getting from that book, and what teachings or what knowledge are you going to apply it in your life. So you have to write all these things, and which is going to make this gratitude process more magical. Where you achieve your goal, a small pastry, a small cake, party, or anything you want to gift yourself can make the process an amazing. Digital detox. This has become a very important point nowadays, where we are scrolling through all the social media apps and are wasting our time, and this can be a barrier in achieving your goals. So just to remove this barrier, just cut off your screen time and try to focus on your goals. This is very important, where you can allocate your break hour to watch all these apps and to spend time on these apps, but just check your screen time before wasting your time over this. Okay, so manage your screen time, and this will really help to cut short the process in achieving your goal. जहाँ पे बहुत टाइम अगर लग रहा है, आप आपका गोल नहीं अचीव कर पा रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स आपका स्क्रीन टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, वेरिन आप टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, एंड दैट कैन बी अ बिगेस्ट हर्डल nowadays to achieve your goals. Now this abundant mindset we can also bring in our money mindset, where we appreciate whatever money we have, wherein we divide our funds into investing, saving, and understand all these criteria जहाँ पे save नहीं कर पाए. This is the year where you understand your money mindset, your money mentality, and wherein you take out that small time where you really understand your saving, investing procedure. फिर वो थोड़ा टाइम निकालिए जहाँ पे आपका जो भी सैलरी है या आपका जो भी रेगुलर इनकम है उसको परसेंटेज से डिवाइड करके आप ये जान पाए कि परसेंटेज इज फॉर सेविंग, दिस इज फॉर इन्वेस्टिंग, दिस इज फॉर योर नीड्स, this is for your wants, and you really make this procedure simple, where you can achieve abundant money mindset as well, and you can even achieve relationship mindset, where you, if you have not given time for your partner, for your children, where you set aside a day for a date evening with your partner, or a play date with your children, or plan ahead, wherein monthly, if you really want to go out somewhere or enjoy, it might not be expensive, but just plan ahead, and wherein you will really enjoy those small joys in your life. This thought process really shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, where you really shift your mindset and attract more abundant things in your life. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more of inspiring content in this 2025. Happy New Year. Gratitude always.